This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs to eat with rice, only way. Whisk eggs until smooth, season lightly, and preheat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat for gentle cooking. Use a little oil or butter, cook slowly while stirring for soft curds, or tilt and set for an omelet. Keep portions small, finish with soy or sesame oil, and serve hot over steamed rice for best texture and flavor. I explain gentle heat techniques to keep eggs tender and flavorful on rice. Start with medium-low heat and adjust your spatula motion. Constant gentle stirring for creamy scramble or minimal movement for set omelet edges. Time is short, so watch for just cooked curds and remove from heat slightly early because residual warmth finishes cooking. Season after cooking to lock in texture, then nestle eggs atop warm rice for a comforting bite. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and keep rice and egg portions fresh on the go. They stack well and save time. I use them for weekday lunches and detangle mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. I help you build flavors that complement rice without masking eggs. Bright elements like scallions or pickled vegetables lift the dish, while toasted sesame and chili oil add depth. Combine diced cooked proteins or vegetables for texture and nutrition, and use soy sauce cautiously to control salt. A tiny pat of butter enriches mouthfeel and helps eggs cling to rice. Taste as you go to keep balance and harmony.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.